Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intro to Fabrication number 1. Tape measure, soapstone, Sharpie, speed square, T-square, punch, framing square, clamps, grinder, hammer. One of the first things you're going to need is a good quality tape measure. Something that's sturdy with easy to read numbers. If you're going to try to build something, if you don't know how long it is, it's probably not going to work. Next is soapstone. You can get it either in square or round. Either way, it's perfect for writing on steel. Use Sharpies for aluminum. Next is your speed square. Speed squares allow you to square things off at 90 or 45 degrees with relative ease. There's more to these, but we will cover that later. Sliding T-bevel. Unlike the speed square, these are adjustable. So if you need to mark out the center of something, for like a hole location, you can set it and it will stay the same, giving you an accurate center every time. Use your punch and a hammer to mark out hole locations. Next is your clamps. These work good for hooking workpieces together or clamping to your workbench. Lastly is a grinder. Most people can't run out and buy a nice saw or plasma cutter, but you can do a lot with one of these. You can run flap wheels, wire discs for cleaning, grinding discs, and most important for beginning, cutoff wheels. I've seen several videos and everyone says, "Oh, let's grab the saw," or "Oh, let's grab the plasma cutter." Unfortunately, people starting out, they only have access to basic stuff. Everything I showed you, you should be able to purchase for a couple $100.